Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Kia. Doesn't matter what Kia you have guys. It could be Kia Optima, Sportage, Sorento, Forte, Kia Soul, whatever it is guys. If you have a Kia, you have increased oil consumption. We'll explain the number one thing that causes increased oil consumption. Most of the people never actually think about replacing that item. It's very small, it's very inexpensive, but it may actually make you think that you have a bad engine guys. So stay with us and we're going to explain what it is. And if you check your manual on your car guys, it's going to say that it's a serviceable item, and let's say you need to replace it every 60 or 80,000 miles, even less sometimes. So let's explain what is that item now. Now, let me introduce you guys quick to the channel. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep providing this free information for free. Something else, if you want to see videos about diagnostics, electronics, fixing electronic components, all that will be on our second channel, Electrical Car Repair Live. Check it out, we'll have quite helpful information. If you need to buy any parts or tools, anything for your Kia guys, we'll share the links in the description of the video below, where we get all the tools and parts from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. Specifically guys, this is a 2013 Kia, but that device has been used on engine since 1960 guys, practically. So the engine needs that device, otherwise it cannot run properly. And what it is guys, okay, let's explain now. When the engine runs guys, you have pistons inside that move up and down. They will create pressure in the crankcase guys. That pressure, okay, will climb to the valve cover. It needs to exit somehow out of the engine, otherwise you're going to develop multiple oil leaks. Let's say valve covers will start leaking, camshaft position sensors, intake and exhaust variable timing solenoids, they have seals. You may develop oil pan gasket leaking guys symptoms. Also front or rear crankshaft seal start leaking guys. All that can develop because okay, that pressure needs to exit the engine. Also if it doesn't exit the engine, what will happen, that pressure can actually mess up your head gasket as well. So you have a special device that takes that pressure out of the crankcase. It comes to the valve cover right here. It's that device and injects it in the intake manifold. From there it goes into cylinders and it burns out of the engine through the exhaust. It's called a PCV valve guys, the positive crankcase ventilation valve, PCV. So that valve guys, okay, also what it does, it separates that pressure guys. It will be mixed with oil vapors and fumes, and it gets the air out of the pressure guys, and the oil will go back in the valve cover. But if that valve fails, okay, what can happen at that point? Okay, if it fails, actually, you may develop, guys, increased oil consumption, because engine oil will start, okay, being sprayed directly in the intake manifold, from there in the pistons, and you will start burning engine oil like crazy. Also, you may develop, guys, smoking out of the exhaust. That's very common, guys, as well. Okay, smoke out of the exhaust if that valve fails. We had cars that smoked so bad that even mechanics said that the engine needs to be replaced. And all we did, replace PCV valves, guys. Okay, sometimes some vehicles use more complicated PCV systems. For instance, BMW, German vehicles use a little bit more complicated systems, but these ones are pretty simple. And if you check your Kia manual, okay, most of the times I guarantee that that's a serviceable item and most of you have to replace it. So you get the idea guys. Okay, if you have increased oil consumption, replace that. That's the cheapest and easiest option to do, and see if that fixes the problem. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.